Hey, hey, beautiful babes. Welcome into Sugar Fingers. Y'all know I've been bringing some makeup stuff over here a little bit. And I wanted to share with y'all something that I was just amazed by. I don't know why I don't toss this brush. It is so big and out of proportion. But anywho, I was, before I talk about that, you doing okay? Are you doing okay? Well, good. I need to know that first. So, as I was saying, I was astounded at this new thing that's going around on how to put on eyelashes. Now, I don't have what they use, but they're using like a little eyeliner thing to put on their lashes, like draw it on your lid. They're using like an kind of like, let's see, kind of like the tip of this to draw on your lid, the line, and then place your eyelash on there. Listen, if you've been rocking with me for a minute, y'all already know now. I've been doing that for a long time. If you recall my Lash XO, my little waterproof eyelash glue that I've been using now for a couple of years, I know. But they stole my idea. I need to get paid for that. I think I do. But I just wanted to put on my lashes today. What I'm wearing is this the Miss Lash? Well, this is Secret Lash, 3D Secret Lash, the M190s. It's 100% silk lash, came in this box, and this is the ones I have today. Okay. They may need to be cut down. I'm not sure. I'm going to do that before I put the lash glue on. But yeah, like they stole my idea. And I'm waiting on my residual for that, girl. Ooh, yeah. That's kind of too long. So I'm like waiting. I think I'm just going to cut off that end of it. Although you can't really see. I don't know how I can make you see that end of it right there, because it's way too long. So I'm just trying to get my paycheck from them because they're promoting something that I've been doing forever. And if I can find the video, I'll link it for you. But I showed how I put on my lashes. Okay, so I just cut it down a little bit. And that should be okay there. But yeah, and I'm like, how could they do that to me and did not send me my check? Like they said, run me my money. I don't know what's up like that. But anywho, so is life. You don't get everything that you so desire or want. However, I should have patented the idea. But anywho, just some fun. And we're gonna put these lashes on today. Oops, if I don't lose them first. And I have a black robe on and a black eyelash. That was gonna be like, I can't find it. So this is what we do. We take our lash glue and be very careful because this is actually glue. Now I'm not sure what the other stuff is made out of. Thin line of glue going across the lower lash. Well, yeah, my lash line. And then we're going to pop on our eyelash, like so. Do I have tweezers out? I do. Yes, I do. Just like so. She got it on. I used to struggle so much getting putting my lashes on until I decided to go against the grain and do things my way. And that's how you have to do it. Do it your own way. And I used to say, I know I'm doing this wrong. And now, since so many people like myself struggle with the lashes, okay, some genius saw my video and said, why don't we just make this where they just put it on the lash line and they're set to go and pop the lash on. Instead of all of that, put the glue on the lash band, blow, blow, blow. Okay. So now we got an easy way to do things. And your girl been doing it all along. Like that. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. And this is supposedly some waterproof eyelash glue. This Lash XO is supposed to be waterproof, but it works for me because, you know, I wear it when I am performing on stage, and honey, I perspire like crazy all down my face, and it keeps my lashes on. So if it can work for me, it can work for you too. Like so. And that's it. That's all I wanted to share today. It's me putting on my lashes. I'll try to link these lashes if you like them down below in the description box. But I got them from my beauty supply store, so I don't know if you'll be able to get it online or not. But I'll try to find it for you in case you want them. Yes. Easy. These are silky, they're soft. I like it. Anywho, I think that's about it. No new makeup products or anything like that from the last time, but I do have some nail stuff that I wanted to share with y'all coming up in a new video, so stick and stay right here on Sugar Fingers. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Please, please, please stick and stay right here on Sugar Fingers. So subscribe, hit the little bell, and y'all know, keep your hands, your feet, your face, your hair looking gorgeous. Absolutely. I'll see y'all on the next one.
Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same.